Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna go and show you how to add extra baggage in a Turkish Airlines. So here we are on turkishairlines.com, and to add extra baggage, you just come here and you click on book and manage. Okay, and from additional services, you click on extra baggage. So here we are, and then what you do is go ahead and enter your ticket number or your reservation code and your passenger surname. Now, this one needs to be exactly as it is on your ticket, or you're not going to find it. And then just go ahead and click on search, and you can choose the option that fits your needs. Okay, and they actually give you a discount if you book for it online. So they give you allowances, okay, and you can add up to 9 kilos, as you can see, up to 32 kgs. So you pay for it online and you're good to go, or you can also do this in person at the check-in counter or the sales offices. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.